Pertama-tama kita siapkan stik es krim seperti ini.
Struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming.
Selanjutnya kita kasih lem bakar atau lem tembak seperti ini, kemudian direkatkan seperti di video.
Damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Kemudian kita kasih untuk penyanggahnya, kita kancing dulu seperti ini. Dan jangan lupa kasih lem bakar ya.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring.
Oke, sudah. Selanjutnya kita kasih untuk bagian bawahnya juga sebagai penguat. Jangan lupa untuk dikasih lem bakar.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught.
Selanjutnya di bagian depan bawah untuk penyanggah HP-nya agar tidak merosot. Seperti inilah pemasangannya. Jangan lupa ikuti terus videonya. Semoga video ini bermanfaat bagi kita dan bagi kalian semua.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work like I got vision I don't need to see.
Dan inilah hasilnya, sudah jadi. Sekarang selanjutnya kita tinggal pengapresiasinya. Kita akan coba ambil HP-nya. Apakah ini akan sukses seperti yang diinginkan? Nah, inilah hasilnya seperti ini. Ya, ternyata bagus.